Vevor asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. So I've got everything unpacked. Here's everything you're going to receive. You're going to get a whole bunch of different drills. These go from a 12 millimeter up to 27, and they all have a standard 30 millimeter length on them. And these are all very sharp, and they're designed to fit right into the drill with these two set screws that grab on each of these flat sides of the bits. So you're going to get all those bits, which is really nice because now you're going to be able to use this drill right off the bat without even having to go purchase any. So it all comes included. You're going to get the Allen wrenches that you need to set the different set screws and to adjust the unit. You're also going to get a chuck here. So if you're going to use some drills that are smaller, then you can adjust this chuck to grab onto those. You can get down to a very, very small style, even down to like a 3/8 or ½ inch drill could be used with this device. You're just going to set this in here, push this up into the drill, and then start to use it like that. You're going to get a strap here too. So if you're using the magnetic base and you're inverted and you're upside down, you don't want to make this thing fall if the power got out for some reason. So this will be a safety strap to be able to connect that up. Of course, you get the owner's manual. The device itself, I've already threaded the handles on here. This is what's going to move the unit downward as you're drilling and applying pressure. You're going to be able to just turn this and make this thing go up and down. It's got a oil dispensing container here. There's an adjustment on the bottom that you can tweak that to adjust the amount of oil that flows down over the drill bit to lubricate it while it's cutting. Now I've already got it plugged in. You can see you've got two different power settings here on the device. Let's move it over like this. This on and off here will turn the drill. This power button here on the right, this activates the magnet on the bottom. So there's a large electromagnet on the bottom that'll hold this device in place. So if you're cutting a big piece of sheet steel, you're going to attach this to the steel, turn on the magnet, and it's going to immediately start to pull and hold the unit in place. I'll show you here how the magnet is activated, and if I turn it off, it just falls right off. Really not much to hold it back on there. But turn that back on, and you can see that it definitely starts to cling onto there. Nice and strong. Then with that is actioned and you've got the magnet turned on, you can then turn on the drill and it starts to spin. And now as you're spinning, you can adjust it up and down and do what you need to do to make the hole that you're going to drill. And that's how it works. It's very simple. It's got a nice handle here. It's a heavy unit, very, very solid all the way throughout. Got a nice strong base on there. The magnet is extremely strong. Once you've got that bolted onto a piece of metal, it does not want to let go. You got to make sure you hit the power and then it'll let go immediately. But overall, this is a very impressive magnetic base drill. You're going to get everything you need to immediately get started. All the tools that you need, all the drills that you need, and the whole unit with the oil dispensing ready to go. Hope that helped to learn a little bit more about this magnetic base drill from Vevor. And as always, I hope you have a great day.